Hello everybody, welcome back to Fuzzy Dice Motors. I'm Darren for Fuzzy Dice Motors for another dealer auction walk around. Beautiful day out here. I know I've been gone for a while. I apologize. Things happen, life happens, but we're gonna get back at it and see if we can't find some vehicles to look at. So let's go ahead and go check them out. Well, how about this one, everybody? This one has been rode hard and put away wet, which is fitting because it is in fact a horse. This is a Mustang, or anyway, it used to be a Mustang. We got zip ties and pop rivets and thumbtacks, clothespins. My gosh, hit the fender. The top is screwed up. And you guys are zoomed in. There we go. Sorry about that. Haven't made a video in so long, I forgot how to work the camera, I guess. Tape all over the top. I won't even open the door. I'll just stick you in the window here. Oh, look, we're inside. No, I want you to see these seats. Ouch! What happened? Taco Tuesday, and you went back for seconds and thirds. And it's beeping because the door doesn't shut enough to turn off the little buzzer. Windows falling out of the back. 210,000 miles in it. Wears those miles like a crown, like a badge of courage. Okay, I thought I'd just show this to you so I could show you that. Well, just because. Moving on. All right, everyone, we finally found something worthy of looking at. Even though it does have some damage up here on the front. This is a 2017 230i BMW convertible. It's got the butt ugly, god-awful, nasty black wheels that I hate and despise. Nothing ruins a car faster than black wheels. And they're all curbed, so someone couldn't drive. We got some damage up here. This is cracked. But that won't stop us from driving it. And we might even get jumpy and froggy and try the top, which usually is a bad idea, but this is a good day for bad ideas. All right, we're inside the car here. We got a fly that's buzzing around. I guess we must smell like crap. But yeah, we're inside of it. It started, it's running, the AC is going, and I think we're gonna get this bug out of here, and we're going to try to go ahead and we're going to take this one for a drive, and we might drop the top. So I'm going to throw on my seatbelt and we're going to go for a drive. Yes, my microphone is in the way of the seatbelt, or vice versa. Let's see. Check our brakes. See if we can figure out how to get in reverse. Probably a button to push. There is. Let's see. Are we in reverse? Yes. Let's see. Ah, look at this for backing up. Let's back. No. Can't see crap out of this. There we go. Let's see if we can burn the back tires off from it. Check our brakes again. So we won't go through the wall. BMWs drive great when they're working. Wow, hippie. Well, it says my tire's low too, so that's not good. I like this car. I like it a lot. Probably not going to press my luck too much and get thrown out of here, which can't happen. I don't hear anything at all besides dinging, dinging, dinging. Oh, that's a seatbelt warning. Oh well. There are no check engine lights besides we got a low tire, which is not the end of the world. But we're going to put this back, but I think I will try the top just so that might be our thumbnail, because I don't see anything else out here that's really thumbnail worthy.
Just a Tacoma back there, and Bronco.
And I think this is C10, so we're gonna put it back from whence it came. But we're definitely gonna try the top. Yeah, we're down here next to this FJ Cruiser. I believe this is it. But we are gonna try the top. Smack. Now let's see if we can figure out the top. Is it this? Is it this? Put it down here. Oh, here it is. What happens? Let's see. Things are moving. I hear clicking and ticking, and oh, there we go. Let there be light. Sweet, let's get out and look at it now. Convertibles look so much better with the top down. That's a good looking car. Once I'm done looking at it, I'll go ahead and I'll scan I'll scan the code here, and then we'll see what we're supposed to pay for it. But I do like it. This is a great looking car, and thank God the top works. If the top doesn't work, I don't want anything to do with it, because I'm not going to pay $2,500 to fit the top. Well, we could. That's what we're working with. What are we thinking? Is it a 6? Is it a 4?
It's a 4.
It's dirty. It's ruining my hands. There's the glasses here.
That's a 6.
I don't have on my old man glasses. I know it's telling us, but I can't see it. Let me find my glasses. I'm gonna swap glasses. I would say it's a 3-liter like it used to be, but you know what? I still do not see it. And that's the emissions label, so it should tell us what we're looking at. I do not see it. Still going?
Yeah.
The one thing I have noticed, typical BMW, maybe some cooling system issues. There's definitely been some cooling out here.
Is there cooling or is the
Or is that something else?
well, I thought this is where you put the windshield. The windshield's over there.
Yeah.
So it could have been either overflowing or
Yep.
when they filled it up, they spilled it everywhere.
But we have a twin power turbo inline 6.
Is it inline?
I'm just guessing.
I think it's a V.
Is it a V6?
I think they stopped doing. This is a 17. I think they still.
2017?
I don't think they did the V's in 17.
We're going to turn this off,
Inline.
and I'm going to scan this code and see what we're supposed to pay for it.
4 o'clock.
How about a 2008 Audi with 209,000 miles? This is an S-Line. It's an A6 Quattro 3.2 liter. But now, what could possibly go wrong on an Audi with 209,000 miles on it? My gosh.
The brand new headlight.
You're a gambler. You're a gambling man. You're rolling the dice. maybe something good, maybe something bad. I'm gonna probably lean towards maybe something bad. Yeah, we're gonna walk quietly but swiftly away from this one. When was the last time you saw a GEO Prisum? 1996 GEO Prisum, 130,000 miles. This was a joint venture between General Motors and Toyota, and this is actually pretty much a rebadged Corolla. So it has a Toyota motor in it and transmission. So this little Prisum will probably go until the end of days. And if that mileage is correct, then this car has another 200,000 miles left in it. And so I'm not going to drive this. I'm just going to give you guys a look-see.
Careful.
Wow. The seats are in great condition, a little bit dirty. It's an automatic. Yeah, this thing is in great shape. Got the old manual crank windows, so you don't have to worry about the windows not working.
It's a good car for going back and forth to work. It's all locked.
It's all locked besides that one. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, guys. I guess you do not see these cars anymore at all. And, you know, even for this car being damn near 30 years old, the paint is in surprisingly good condition as well. The windows are not cracked or beat out of it. So somebody loved their GEO Prisum. I'm sure it gave them years of good service. All right, we won't spend any much more time on this. But anyway, you know, you don't see stuff like this on the road anymore, so I thought I would go ahead and put it on video. Moving on. Here's a praying mantis. He's looking at me. He's wanting to fight. He's like, get that camera out of my face before I smack you.
He's like, I'll get my buddy, the Kung Fu Panda.
There he goes. Hello. How y'all are? I'm Cajun for some reason. All right, guys, what about a 2010 Chevy Impala, 97,000 miles? This is an LT. It's got leather in it. And now this headlight is super clear, so it's been replaced. This one is not super clear, so that's probably the original headlight. It's got the you know, the nice wheels on it because it's an upgrade. They don't have the hubcaps on it. Honestly, I don't see hardly any scratches, dings, dents, anything. It has the spoiler and the sunroof, which for me, I don't really care about the sunroof, but I love it having the spoiler. It makes the car look better. We got a huge trunk. I don't know how many people you can sneak into the drive-in. Yeah, I'm showing my age in there, but yeah, these, in my opinion, I've always liked them because to me they're like the right size. They're comfortable cars. They're cheap cars to fix because, you know, hey, it's just a Chevy with a 3500 six-cylinder in it. You know, it's not going to be a street stormer. It's not the SS with the 303 horsepower 5.3 in it, but
It's been in a garage.
yeah, this has been a garage queen.
AC is super cold.
AC is super cold. We got the power seats, and so let's go ahead and go for a drive. I'll let you go. Yeah, you go ahead. Man, this is, oh yeah, this is comfortable. Put on my wonderful seatbelt here. This is very, very nice.
Next to the...
Yep, we are next to this. We are in C100.
Anybody coming?
Yes, someone in a Mazda.
Yeah, let's check out the brakes.
It's always a good idea.
Yeah.
Not the best?
It's just in that vehicle.
Yeah. Guys, hauling ass in that Jeep.
Yeah, that Jeep didn't have the AC. It's smooth.
Yeah, this is a really smooth riding, smooth driving car.
Yeah, it doesn't have a lot of pickup.
No, it wasn't like the BMW that
It wasn't
pressed us back
A-Drive.
in the seat. Now, this is just a cruiser. I guarantee you this would make a darn fine road trip car. You're going to get decent gas mileage.
Yeah, this was someone's mom or dad's car.
You're going to have a smooth ride. So it actually has the floor shift, which I like better than the column shift. So it's got the spoilers, got the sunroof.
Well, there's no performance about this, but it'd be good for a young couple or a second vehicle for. Oop, I just missed it, didn't I? Was it right there?
Yeah, by the red Ford, which, I mean, that's fine. Well, folks, I will put this one on the watch list because I really can't fault it. We don't even have any chips in the windshield.
Yeah, there's no engine check lights or anything.
All right, there we go. Well, we're going to put this one on the watch list, and then we're going to go ahead and keep on looking. Well, all right, guys and gals and everybody else, looks like that's probably going to wrap up this edition of the Fuzzy Dice Motors Walk Around. If you enjoyed anything that I have done or said, please go ahead and do what you know you should do deep in your heart, and that is like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to email us, our email address is fuzzydicemotors@gmail.com. Please make sure to check out our Instagram page. So much more stuff on there than what we do on YouTube because, well, it's just easier. So with that being said, folks, like always, better cars, best prices. It's Fuzzy Dice or no dice.